Mitchell reporting to you live from the Digital Health Summit studio at CES 2016. And I have Chris Gibson with me, and he's the VP of Marketing and Product Management at Human Scale. Thanks so much for coming and joining us today.
Thank you, it's good to be here.
So he's talking to us about a little bit of a different innovative product in digital health, and it's called Human Scale. And you'll notice that both of us are sort of sitting on these things, right? And it's a little bit of a different atmosphere. So tell me about, Human Scale and what we're sitting on here.
So the company's Human Scale, and we've been around for about 34 years making ergonomic office furniture. And the reason we came to CES this year is to really show a product called Office IQ, which takes all of the products that we have, whether they're height adjustable desks or chairs or monitor arms, and really connects them and makes them more intelligent and more active, and encourages more movement in the workplace for employees. And what we've always done with our product designs is encourage movement, activity, and health in the workspace, and now we're just leveraging technology, software and sensors in particular, to encourage more utilization of those products in the workplace.
Okay, so it's super interesting. I mean, I'm loving this chair. It's actually really comfortable, but I'm noticing that I'm constantly sort of shifting around, maintaining balance, and I can't help but think I'm getting a little bit of maybe a core workout by doing this.
Yeah, just a little bit. It's low intensity, but it's definitely there. That product is called Ballo. It's one of the chairs we launched last year, and we have a wide range of task seating as well, which is like one of the chairs that I'm sitting in here, which is the Smart Chair designed by Niels Different. That chair was actually designed by Don Chadwick. So we work with a host of external designers to design products that are very, very comfortable, very minimal, but also extremely healthy and help encourage activity in the workplace,
and they look,
which is what's
they look cool
happening
too,
right now.
I mean, they're
Exactly.
trendy looking. So when we think of digital health, a lot of times we think of wearable devices. Talk to us about how this is actually promoting innovation and health in the workplace.
Yeah, sure. So a lot of the companies here that are focused on wearables or the periods of time that you exercise, I mean, that's certainly good to optimize your physical activity through exercise, but what we're really focused on is that 55% of your waking hours that you spend at the workday every day. And we're the only company here really talking about that. And I think that's a big deal, because everybody here, regardless of your profession, gets up and goes to work in the morning, whether it's a home office or a corporate office, and we're the ones that are trying to address that huge chunk of time that most people sit in a sedentary environment in front of a computer screen, particularly, maybe hunched over, pecking at your laptop. Right. And we try to put people in a much more neutral, relaxed, ergonomic posture and allow them to just be more healthy and comfortable in the workplace. And Office IQ, what it does is it really takes it to the next level, and it allows people to understand how much they're using these products. So for example, Sit Stand, there's a basic sensor that we put on the bottom of the float table or other products like Quick Stand, and it allows you to understand how much you're actually utilizing the table, how much it's moving up or down, and the incremental calorie burn associated that for an employee. And it gives that information back to the employee, and it also, at an anonymous level, gives it back to the employer so they can understand how much their investment in the health and wellness of their employees through furniture is really paying back for them.
That's fascinating. Smart furniture, folks. I mean, this is really great. So how do we find out more about Human Scale?
So you can go to humanscale.com. We're based in New York, but we have offices all over the world, from London to Hong Kong and everywhere in between. But humanscale.com is really the place to get more information.
Well, thank you so much. I'm here with Chris from Human Scale. This is Laura Mitchell reporting to you live from the Digital Health Summit studio at CES 2016.